Hi guys, welcome back to 3-Minute Review. Today I'll be reviewing an espresso storage drawer for my capsules. The specific brand I bought is DecoBros Crystal tempered glass Nespresso Vertuoline storage drawer holder for capsules, and this was $31.97. I know it might seem pricey, but trust me, it's worth it in the long run. This has 15,526 reviews and still has a 4.8 out of 5 stars. So here's some facts. This will organize the Vertuoline capsules. It stores about 40 capsules for the small pods or 20 coffee capsules for the large pods. The product dimensions are 14.3 by 3.3 by 13.4 inches and weighs about 5 pounds. It is made out of tempered glass, and the sliding drawers makes the capsules easily accessible. Again, the price was $31.97. Personal experience. So I have the Breville Nespresso Virtual Coffee and Espresso machine. Side note, I also purchased this on Amazon due to it being shipped faster than the Nespresso site. You gotta love Prime, right? So I used the coffee machine for a week but started to get annoyed of having to take a capsule out of the Nespresso box every time I made coffee. So I purchased this DecoBros Nespresso storage drawer for my capsules in November of 2020. I've been using it for a couple of months and I love it so far. This made the whole drinking coffee at home experience better. It's also really satisfying and looks pretty when you're organizing it. Also, another plus, it is not only easy to use, but also really easy to clean. Cleaning. Compared to the other storage drawers I have used in the past, this is by far the easiest to clean. The capsules are held in a removable plastic type box, with the top being a soft velvet type layer. Once you remove this plastic type box, you can clean the inside of the container. The top is made out of tempered glass, so it is not only easy to clean, but also very sturdy. So I hope you found my review helpful. The link to the products are down below on my description box. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be back for another review.